Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in organic problems in amine chapter. Okay, let us see the first question. First question, identify the compound B in the following reaction. C6H5N2Cl gives A when reacts with H3PO2 in presence of H2O. Again A gives B on reacts with nitric acid. Okay, so option A nitrobenzene, option B ethanamide, option C phthalimide, option D methanamide. You have to find only B. Second question, CH3C triple bond N, it's called ethane nitride to A when reduced by nickel in presence of H2. Again, A to B when reacts with nitrous acid, it's called nitrous acid test. Identify B of the following. A, ethyl diacetyl chloride, B, ethanamine, C, aniline, D, nitrobenzene. Next one, identify A in the following reaction. CH6H5N2Cl, when reacts with hydrofluoroboric acid in presence of sodium nitrite to get A. So A only we have to find out. What is A means? Option A, nitrobenzene. Option B, para-hydroxyl benzene. Option C, aniline. Option D, chlorobenzene. Next one. Fourth one, identify the product B in the following reaction. CH3CH2COH gives A when reacts with ammonia as well as heat also. No. Again, A gives B when reacts with bromine in presence of NaOH. Option A, we have to find only B. Okay. Option A, aniline. Option B, methyl isocyanate. Option C, ethanamine. Option D, benzyl isocyanide. Next one. Fifth one, the chemical test to differentiate trimethylamine and dimethylamine is dash. Okay. Option A, carbalamine test. Option B, HNO2 test. Option C, Innsberg reagent test. Option D, Lieberman test. Next one. Question number 6. Nitrobenzene is reduced by ion in presence of HCl to form dash. Okay. So option A, benzylamine. Option B, aniline. Option C, ethanamine. Option D, propanamine. Next one. Seventh one. The amide which gives benzylamine by lithium aluminum hydride is dash. Okay. The amide only they're asking, solar amide. You have to find out amide which one is correct answer. Option A, butanamide. Option B, pentanamide. Option C, ethanamide. Option D, benzamide. So these are the 7 questions I given. So the next day I will give the solution to this 7 problem. Okay. Thank you, students.